one is the first one. This one says Imagine Korea at the bottom. So it's this one. A lot of times I still don't know how to play it. Hey guys! Hey guys! Annyeong magandang araw. It's Jem here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do an unboxing today and it's been so long, I feel like, since I said that intro because I have upcoming vlogs which I didn't really say my intro anymore. But today we're gonna be unboxing this big box from Korea and this is what it says at the back. And yeah, I won a giveaway from Kingdom Friends Korea, so make sure to check them out. They're so cute and they represent Korea and their current model is Brave Girls. But if you want to see what they sent to me, just keep on watching. The box is quite broken. Like, I don't know if you can see that. It's very damaged, so I opened it on this side. And the first thing that comes up in front of you is this huge, this massive bag, and I didn't know that it would be this big because on the picture it looks like a small one. So let's go through it one by one. This one is the first one, and this is a grip phone grip holder. These are their characters. This one is the first one, and then this one is the main one, the tiger. And then the third one and the last one is this one. Wait, it's falling. This one. So all of this are grip for phones. So I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna let my mom or dad or my brother use the other two. So that's the first one. The second one is this bottle, and I am so happy it finally arrived because my last water bottle kind of chipped off inside, so whenever I drink there's like small particles that are dangerous and disgusting. But anyway, I used to have another bottle of from Kingdom Friends, but it was also chipping off. Anyway, this one says Imagine Korea at the bottom. Imagine your Korea, and it's this water bottle. It's so cute. It's with the character again. So yeah, I need to, oh wow, and it has this. So I have another bottle to use. Also, it has this character and at the top of the bottle. And then this one is the next one. So this one is Yulnori. Yes. So this one is a traditional game in Korea. So it says scan this. So if you want to scan it, guys, there we go. So I don't know if you have seen this game. Oh, it's fabric. So it's this one, and it's with the sticks. You have probably seen this game. I mean, like, it has this.
Oh my goodness.
It has the sticks, which I really need to study the game, because even if I have watched it a lot of times, I still don't know how to play it. So, you know, you flip it and it has you and other stuff, and it has this as your pins on the game, and it has the characters' faces in it and the logo of Imagine Your Korea. So that's what's inside, and I'm very excited to play. I thought it was actually paper, so it's a good quality. It's the same quality as this packet. And the last one is the stickers. She's so cute. I'm gonna put it in this bag, which is very convenient, by the way. It's like a mini carrier. I finished designing the box and I put back everything inside it. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this mini unboxing and a little bit of an ASMR of removing the stickers and putting it here. But again, follow them on their Instagram and watch out for more of my videos. And thank you guys once again, and I'll see you guys on my next one. God bless. Annyeong.